Hey, what's up, guys? With the Dust Media here. Keep watching Ahaya Germany with the Mad King. The Mad King. Keep doing what you're doing.
Now what Ghana no? Now what Ghana? Now what Germany? Now what feel say Germany will be like place where you come and I say now who is saying?
Okay, what's the time I hear in a just one idea? Obi can broach them. Everybody want to go. Say if he say a broach the sika or be beer or went to know. Say if you put a free poor family mukra now, you may do ya. Not why a year not just all send we boost and full sika now to sit down idea. So I picture no will be at him even up to now.
Yeah.
Tita mana me ye adwuma no kra me kra me fortunate say na me dem meta akoba aha me koba ni na kra no still na me feel say hi okay but me yes
yo hi Germany.
Hi guys, I'm saying it because I feel very sick. Oh, here, hi Germany with the
this case sweet. Hi Germany, this work.
Hi Germany.
This cows.
Yeah, the martini sabro
Brimpe and Ekase. Aha, hey Germany. One more shot.
The girl I'm sad, the state girlfriend. I had
the martini sabro king. Aha, hey Germany.
Yo, what's up? Yes, DMK the market. I know about that. What I say? What I say? What I say? Crap for the eating. This is the foul. The foul strategy. Yes, my catch them. What shall I say? Or Joyce Mensa, I say. The whole same be brave. Or Germany. It's a high Germany show. So what I say? Be didn't come be brave now. Any echo Germany has seen. I'm offended to say.
what do you see?
What do you say? What do you say? Cry for
this is in the parent. What you see and what do you see?
You ever can be
what do you see?
So I can't say we show be a master say me said the be you knew more Ghana on be life I echo so which especially Germany here. And or more be do Germany for front now on per se. We should be doing no near say I want to say you that now soon we want to share and it happened to us. Brian Brainy baby idea couldn't idea and anything and ya too and dear share and see you. About Germany a year man.
Okay, now me taba, but me decided to me babet snapper day. Me buy 1.5 years in
1.5 years.
Yeah.
That is what to say.
No, you're easy. So, be any what because say me I don't know about on more I find say be a
now what Ghana no. Now what Ghana. Now what Germany now what feel say Germany will be like place where you come and I say now who is saying
okay, what's the time I hear in a just one idea? Obi can broach them. Everybody want to go. Say if he say a broach the sika or be beer or went to know. Say if you put a free poor family mukra now, you may do ya. Not why a year not just all send we boost and full sika now to sit down idea. So I picture no will be at him even up to now.
Yeah.
Tita mana me ye adwuma no kra me kra me fortunate say na me dem meta akoba aha me koba ni na kra no still na me feel say hi okay but me yes say me bet na ha no when I me who the realities of coming to Abrochi
we yes all bet na oba na o connect there like
na me who be who dia okay say they wa bo bia invite so wa be spend be 1 week do some ko pro now me here me decided say me be say me relocate to Germany no na me ni say anya better sir
it is so by a year ben
me by December 2018.
December by now one about.
Now one I was happy. It was very very cold. One miss me power.
I say they be foul. I want to be foul. So oba you know, e be say me who say obi mo mo ba be do a me taking say we the plane buy.
Yeah.
Because e ka say oba ya so many ways am for be to me share ship mu no ma buy be so to me fa I can't say Libya could feel even know about stand who's offer playing about. So and I him say so bad butcher. Also when you move into Uber now when you move your hand.
Okay, me bad here. Now me boost me be any ha. Until me buy and I'm dem me kwasha aban. Say my ba me ni baby tent one baby tent.
And you anything.
And no kwa go dey fellow go dey edru because he asylum. Say me free me chrome na buy na nya be e koso me chrome no. Me feel say me tena ho amewu enti ma ba enti no mo ma me tena ha na enti na no omutie wasem a na ne ebe ka se fa lawyer o fa lawyer na fe also na behold e fa say home office immigration no mama appointment say that say no bra interview aha enti interview ho na ye kwa kotie we no mu nsem e die poti enti na ma utu free ukrom say wa betina brochiri na wa ka nsem a kire o enti o ka nsem kire o wi a na fe ye sekọ Into ukwa na fi ya mouth time am be reply o asema be kan so mbe ji atu so be tena ha and ase be ka say this on yama na ku fie no mama reply
into reply be na onyan
oh me call me ka me se mu nyina sisa newspapers e de concern crofo tata me na amu say bcc yes e be chi me atuma ko di sika na me sisa newspapers dey bebre because me say me buy dey bia me bo front page and them sisa dey me to me sisa dey buy and I'm doing na good table ni so amu kan bi and I ka so me dem me very popular pint you know me say no cry on internet so me nipa on interview me cry na so share me cry on internet I'm say oh this is very sad. Unfortunately for me, I mean, if they masem coding in him. Ain't no, or see they be men come me crew. Answer by no. One of the reasons near me passport or moje no. It's not obey me passport, okay. American visa 5 years, UK visa, Japan visa, a Schengen visa 4 years. No visa way free. No answer na me the government of Ghana no juma. It's a no na me opportunity say identity kwan. Ma me say on tia say. The oya me interview broni no. O say on tia say identity na me wo visa baby wo me passport mu. E no kwa disqualify me. Me say me ba be kan no kra nti later crown go be catch me say I should have said say bia me fancy so kra de ba no kra kan be boa me. Na wo do passport. Wo do passport akoto we ni ma mo say wo ye sikeni say scan grade bi di ho na so.
Me try no. Sa passport na me fancy the visa bi bro. And no nche say bia wo ye scan e no nche say bi wo modwen say bi kra wo ye sa amanfo nro ibi.
Enro. Omo believe in Sanya man.
And you know, like I'm talking about what I said.
Yeah.
You know, who's a sound for no yes or no. I'm caught I'm transporting him. I'm doing say. And then so I'll share a video in the make say so be do Germany and pacho. So book need I am from my home. Anytime be I was here. If pacho. And this our best down.
Yeah.
We have false actually. What I say.
Now I could deal with okay, obisa be Japan visa ne America any year infant Schengen visa na no so 4 years no. O say onim say Europe there oh baby I ma 3 years visa. Sorry, 3 months. Nti be dey 3 months na o san ko okro. Then na me dey here 4 years because now we hu 1 year we hu 2 years we hu 4 years. Na say me pa cho. Then me dey kan no. Me ko bia me san ko me kro me say me ko gina me control me pe multiple visa. No mama me o say want to say. O say it's not true. Nti oni make us on the crown because of visa and in cross sorry or fancy green or sorry cause smoke you abontin sa or something. Just because I have
man stress.
The man is stressed. Yeah, nti na no kwa nti no nti me result ni buy na me see dey be me problem nti me san come group. Na dem me say ha na I say set window yi. Nkofo eti he nyina bebre na any papers. Ahun ra chobe na police car be park wa.
Enye easy o.
Na nkrofo su na ye die pio mu sheka ni mu na ye deporting si eh
amusu na de no musu
na wa breche ni ye si ko fi ko
fi
eti ko wa usu nti mi si e ma me letter say mi su mi nko mi kro mu no na fi adadi su on de ma nti e bo na ju 12 o'clock na me bie mpoma no because ahoma chi na yo mutade nkrofo go fi because na me passport na me kita no ye deporting e be ha me I just want say ba abrochi na deporting I want me em abrochi bi no matter what visa you have na me person may affected it became me be even more depression and sa issue we su crack am be more depressed na me lo aka chem say oni depression na owo no cry no e betimi ama we ayeden enya nkrata wa because depression dey draw no eni health insurance so it's depression na feel there or started depression no me ko di a draw bill like to reapply and it's so one accept it me na money na no I say me who me left and right but na dream body bi ene mutim say me nko ni obi nko wo like say dem go na me say me wo kra na e bia me nya me life partner the person me ne tina yes me ko wo na me nko abrochi na me nko me betete ba ha
but me ncho no eno de sa say okwo ne de it's not you anya wo nko a oba bia me friend survivor issue
obi aka chem say me nko
because all free Ghana ba be do the only thing oba ya obetena come say okoko nti nye se bia wo na bia dwen bi wodim se wo se wo ye sa na oba bia ba wo ye de wo ye
okay because na me madam fu bia oye bro ni ono me fa ni ba internet ni so da na ono o de ye nware na o se ye nware nti na me de me na okay na me final hope cry say even though me don't know but let me sacrifice I then any now worry. But I know cry number so we
now
now
no any easy out.
Because that was my only hope.
Now you need resident permit over how?
Sir, me now me lawyer say and Obeka chon say me threaten me life for Ghana. Nti no me be worry but me to call Ghana ko give visa samba worry visa. Nti no now say me ni bro ni worry a. That say me nya.
I don't want to go there, but
a very long process. Long.
Even they even have your passport. What I say. And I will call maybe I'll call now. They need all these things.
Oh, okay.
So Edding.
And I could have saving you. Saving the life.
Germany had it. The primary thing you have to do is wow. It's now bar be mama sisi munya din. Oba no na bibianchi. This abe toto papa so be fa sa jidi onya na. Okay to aso.
Yo, it's no. I mean nemwa na eja. Me this year Bella papa no cry there it was a love story. And yes me ko pa wa be try. And in the was I go have this minimum. And eja me like aso minimum there good news. It's no na fe omu twa sa de ni mu se me mba family akofie. And am ye do mu twa mu. Yeah.
Come case about Kofi, no. Be me now feel the same.
Share. That is how me damn in now.
What it? How do you feel? So
wow. It's a no. If you are me,
say
me to me. Wow. Wow. Me nam baby cry na police for never me try na say nti dan cry na jubi and I jubi 12 o'clock. Me say baby me feel say me da ko fo ba be family akọ. E na me dem me say me nanti. Nti me nti me see for be a bus stop no nti me just bus stop na mo say police car me no me. Omo free corner no mo dey we am him say fa shame na me ma mo me ho shame say na me no police say me. Abroche dey easy o. Nti police police car bia na
don't know.
We have to have running stomach. Nti me could jump bus stop as I make me ni say like me secret too. I na me be say go for who this aspect because you feel like
it's okay.
Yeah, but then it's a reality. A reality of abroche. Nti me na uni krata obi enu obeka say oba abroche no ni krata bana no hotel. She hotel bi eni baby a. De bia oda wa na oyem. Nti no I say we do we kan me dey mama na.
Ade.
Na Nigeria for boys. Me dey say that me tia no me ni obi father for na be ma na mini feeling bi ama na with me yet say onua. Nigeria ni boys me no bi omo what the other side they are in the same building by the far end. And na me say like yes san ombes me abeda na me makoda say ya police for no ba na mo someone share joys na enye me na me wa ha they will go. Na ba ko be da na me ba akoda. It got to that point. Say na me free me dem kodo bi dem. Say police for bana omo hwehwe me a omo hu me. It got to that point. Me, a whole celebrity. Into no abroche there. The moon sam there bebre obi o ha on kan no interest dem it way no be afraid me I'll tell you the truth. Me bra friend me so Joyce. Then say share dem me film ha no. Any easy to that to who kakra. Me I'll tell you the truth. I will tell you the truth. Say me crack me be I don't even work. It is kind of maybe some me be ma.
I want to start business ka.
Share. Anya ebuzu afon kwa na fofo, me na fofo. Guys, see Ghana especially corona iba ya microphone ejuma sese. Onya bisa na me se crack me be me ejuma biti.
Anya easy.
It's not easy, baby. It's not easy.
Anya easy.
Yeah.
Anya easy.
Nti aboche mu nsemu die.
But say they say ye.
Oh, Bella Daroma. Bella Daroma. So ni papa so why me boni sense the crana I give him that respect. So wa mama ba. Na me anam de so di ba be she bi yem.
She share ni free ho.
Every horse at least that aspect the crana no. So bibia ko wrong e crana I'm still grateful with that.
Yeah.
It's me to me kind of has boni that because of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So say that you feel okay so.
See I dey me damn I want say the my kese me ba last year na my
I need to say kese be brain so.
Okay, say any dey.
Because come there o your ba na o ye kese me wa dey eat me didi pie. But o your ba na ye kese na o bo so te.
You are very right.
Yeah.
You are very
so,
right.
Sasha we me ya aya at the end no pa ne here me. me pese utu omo pese like ne kwa kra na obe sacrifice so the babu chi you obe fan so obe nanti afa desert so obe ton na japade e wo Ghana nyina na oyeden o de ba me pese utu omo for is it good to do this and I say enye just say something before you end it.
But I will never take that decision. We better say okay, okay, aye me ba try dey be you dey try. Share mo fans so buy ni bebre ade poti omo. O ni reason bi o dey betina krom ma na broche o ba na oni buso ni bi akota ni chen aban na be shop. Ntino because of say won sa show mo nu mu ntino. Anytime bia e ba be fa akwa ko ye den akoto atwe say ko fie. Nti say me properties for Ghana na say me wodjuma papa bi ya. I didn't know me got to turn me fear name me car say me boy is can betina broche my dear. And yet it is a me mani bi o hokra na e fa ni say like o sika pa say obetimi ni obi awo kra ba nyense na ma obe de nya krata e na ma ni bebre so o a sebe oba bi o a ta ma wo Ghana no wa ya abortion sa so it is obi that me nka say obi a wa abortion bia no enwu entimi enwu but e bia wa obi a wa go di wrong doctor bi nsem a wa anye ni yi a wa sese o de ntu hu ni say wo kra wa esa anya ma na ma e bi kra na oba na ma benya yefun a wo ba wo life be miserable kroma am sure obi mu edrewu nti na me na mo kra me hu nkrofo di bebo a nice lady bo na kasa na no danu bi miti bas mo man bi de bia na oye bibini de bia na otutu ni nsa na kasa afi no bia atwa no so abucha bravo enye easy
ama bia hu
enye easy nti mpacho so wo bibi kakra ye wo fia enka se wo koton hu ni ama nyina ba obi o ha ferry nti no even though enye nti want me san ko fi waka kroma obi o wa ba so many me think of stories baba ha bia 10 years 20 years besi na onya krata nti we sit down crowd Ghana on me continue nti
baby o me ntwa no na wo de wo krata no a wasi dan mansion o Ghana wa kwetena how many days
few weeks
what check crown wo de also here you got 3 weeks no so
baba na wasamba na woni krata wo baba is kan na na kwa si dan nti no nkrofo nya ya nka do ho a wa ba ha regret nkofo bebre aba ha ma regret na woni krata wo be risky do bi krata ko ye djuma police for back on try bet me deport to sada na mo akofia say woni hope bia mi yanka minya yanko bia ntina ne krom because ye na krom e de yeah my advice kakra me wode mamuno
yeah abusia for ya da bibia se onya amre yawe aha Germany rejoicements and vision communities here you know ben say oba like a video we also be comment what you say na say o Germany be bia na opese ya bane no vision communities so share story also bit me the actual inbox na so be comment o video we say what you say mo share video no na mo fama mo copy link ni ma o mammo na so mo Ghana o mo no pese o mo ye bibia no mo de ba no mo ni kan sua bibi or prepare for. I'm not saying it's a member ha abuchira ha no Germany enye me na na dia ena enye idea na emom enema bi be fam no ebia nka obi mutuyefo a anka ye enye ni sanka be fa different way anything ye sa show way onyame nhira wo onye okese oji tuma okase emi warriors here
warriors
Yo, hi Germany.
Hi guys, Oseni, because of you feel sick, or here hi Germany with the
This case sweet. Hi Germany, this work.
Hi Germany.
This cows.
Yeah, the martini, sabro.
Prempe and ekase. Aha, hey Germany. One more shot.
Your girl on sad, the state girlfriend. I had your
The martini, sabro king. Germany.